welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello, my name is Thuy and today we are going to be doing a PR unboxing. Yes, I feel like it's been such a long time since I've done a PR unboxing. I literally just come back from a month-long trip in Dubai. Whenever I go away, I look forward to coming back to this big pile. I've got a huge pile of PR packages, show you guys what's the newest, the latest, the greatest in the beauty industry. I really wanted to film this more like a vlog style, so let me know if you guys like this type of video. If you guys want to see the latest and the greatest, what's new in the beauty community, please keep watching. So these are all the packages that we are going to be unboxing today. I'm going to try to fly through them quickly. If there's any products that you guys see in this video that you guys want me to try out in a makeup tutorial or in a future video, let me know down below in the comment section. I also just filmed this makeup look in my last week's video. So if you guys want to see how to do this everyday super easy glam, go check out that video. Make sure you subscribe, girl, as well. Okay, just hit that button. It's free. It's free 99. My second favorite F word. Also guys, I do have to make a little disclaimer that in this video I am not bragging at all. My job is to actually look through all of these products, try them out and tell you guys what is worth your money, what is worth trying, what is worth missing. It just comes with the territory, you know, like similar if someone worked at the airport, you know, they probably get free flights to go somewhere. It's a part of the job. I'm so lucky to be able to receive all of these products. I'm not being paid to show you any of these products, and everything is my own thoughts and my own opinions. Oh god. Okay guys, I have sat down on the floor. Hopefully you guys can't see my dress. I hope a killer's not watching this. They're gonna come get me at night time. Okay, so this is the first box that we're gonna open up. We have some Dragon Beauty. She brought out that many new things. God damn, there's a lot of boxes in here. More! Another box! This is a lot of cardboard that I have to recycle. In here we have 3 new colour correctors. So there's an orange, which is the original one. There's also a lavender one, and then there's also a green one. I'm really intrigued about this lavender one because every single time I use this orange shade, I feel like it's really hard to cancel out that orange and I have to cover up the orange instead. So apparently the lavender goes on top of the orange so it cancels out the orange, and then green is for redness. Let me know if you guys want me to do a review on that. I probably get the comment every single day that I look like Nikita Dragon, so every single time I try out Nikita's products, I'm like, oh, twinsies.
Squeeze me? Oh no, you did.
Oh yes! Oh my god, I'm so excited to try out her new liquid lipsticks. So I just got 3 new liquid lipsticks to try out. There's one called Horchata and I need to try that. Oh my god, this shade is so cute. It's like the perfect nude. And then we've got another shade called Bad Blood, which is like a dark red. I don't know why there's so many boxes. All of this can be fit into one box. Oh, the next one is called Dragon Glass. Say what you want about Nikita, but she has a fit body.
It's big, huh?
Yes, plastic fantastic. And she has just launched lip liners. I am always on a hunt for new lip liners. So she's got 3 lip liners that she sent me. They literally look like the perfect nude lip liners. Today, when I was doing my makeup, I was actually on the hunt for like new lip liners. So I'm so annoyed. I should have done a makeup tutorial using all of these products first. Stupid ass.
Stupid. I'm not gonna let you get the chance.
We also have the cutest PR package design ever. She just launched new eyeshadow palettes as well. So pretty. They literally look like Bratz dolls. Oh my god, and I've got more liquid lipsticks. Yay! This is the shade that I wanted to try, Horchata. This shade looks like the perfect nude. It's a bit lighter than I thought it would be, but I feel like when I'm back to my normal kind of like skin tone without my tan and stuff, this will be a perfect nude for me. Let me know, do you guys want me to film a review using the new Dragon Beauty products? Let your girl know. Okay, next up we have a little small envelope here of Fenty Beauty. Oh my god, I am so excited. When I was away on holiday, I saw this on Trendmood and I was like, oh, this looks amazing. I'm all about the full coverage. I want that good, flawless looking skin. She's just launched the Soft Matte Pro Filter Powder Foundation, and normally I'm in the shade 290, so let's see if this shade will go. Oh wow, it's a lot smaller than I expected. It's a lot more like compact. The shade is way too light for me at the moment. Oh, Oh, okay. It actually doesn't have as much coverage as I thought it would. There's no point in me even swatching because it's so light for me at the moment. It literally looks like white ashy powder. This shade is 290 and that's the darkest shade that they sent me. I've got 270 and 280 here. But the formula is actually a lot different than I thought it would be. It says it's a medium to full coverage, light as air, flawless filter effect. Okay. I definitely would say it's probably more of like a light medium rather than medium to full coverage. We can try this out in a future video. I feel like I'm going to be filming like a full face of brand new products for 2021. Let me know if you want to see that. Okay, next up is this black box from NARS. So I'm guessing this is their new lip products. Oh wow, look how sexy just this bag is. Look at it, it's got lips on and everything. So NARS have just launched a air matte lip color available exclusively at Selfridges. I always just go for like the nudes, guys. Just give me the nude. Okay, it's more like a whipped kind of formula. Oh, feels like mousse. Oh my god, that shade's too light for me at the moment.
Even though I look like a burnt chicken nugget, I still love myself.
It feels nice on the lips. It's very lightweight, very creamy. So there's 9 shades in total. There's a lot of like reds and berries and stuff. I wish brands would bring out more nudes. We just want the nudes, guys. Just send me the nudes. Rightio, the next package is from Christian Dior. Whenever I get Dior packages, I'm like, oh my god, I can't believe that they know who I am. Okay, so we've got a little card here. Oh, it's a little Dior card. Who knew that Dior even had Christmas cards? And it's 3D as well. What in the arts and crafts is going on?
This is an art attack. This is an art attack. This is Art Attack.
Dear Thuy, wishing you a magical Christmas and love the team at Dior. Oh, thank you so much. Also, guys, you know these bags, I keep all of this and I repurpose them for whenever I'm given a gift. I'm like, oh, here you go, a little Dior bag. How nice is this little pouch? A Dior candle. This is going to go in my future house. Thank you so much, Dior. I get given all these fancy candles and guys, when I get my house, I'm actually going to burn them. I'm not going to just leave them there on the side and never burn them. I'm actually going to utilize them and like make my house smell amazing. Next up, we got a package. A rather dirty package, but it's from Summer Fridays and it says do not share until the 1st of the 5th. No, the 5th of the 1st. 1st of the 5th. Anyways, we've got past that date now, so I can officially share it. Oh, wow. Look at this packaging. Mornings just got dewier. How cute. Summer Fridays, they just know how to hit the nail on the head when it comes to marketing. Okay, so they just launched a new dewy face cream. Ooh. Oh my god, look at this packaging. It is adorable. I love it. Ooh, this feels really nice. It's like super bouncy. I'm actually looking for a new everyday moisturizer, so this looks amazing and it's oil free as well. Oh, yes. That feels amazing. It feels so weird. It feels like water almost. It's got hyaluronic acid in here for non-stop skin plumping hydration.
Give your meat a good old rub.
Okay, next box. Woo! I love doing that. I don't know why. I get such a thrill out of ripping a band-aid off. Oh my god. So this next box is from Cult Beauty. I feel like I haven't shopped on Cult Beauty for so long. Oh, wow. This box is jam-filled with lots of goodies. This is from Espa. I'm guessing this is like a body lotion, I think. It's really heavy. Oh my god. We also have a Charlotte Tilbury eyeshadow palette in here. Oh, wow. Look at this packaging. Hello, Christmas. That is stunning. I feel like these palettes from Charlotte Tilbury are always so popular because it's like super thin, really good to travel with. We've got a mix of products in there. And then we've got some other brands that I've never heard of before. Water hydrating cream from this brand. This is the thing that I love about Cult Beauty. They have such cool brands that I've never heard of before. We've also got another Sunday morning antioxidant oil serum and then a hair perfume. Thank you so much, Cult Beauty. I cannot wait to try all of these new brands. The pile of recycling is piling up, guys. Don't you worry. Brad's gonna have a doozy cutting down all those boxes. Okay, next up we've got a Pretty Little Thing box. We're celebrating you in 2021. Love Pretty Little Thing. So if you guys don't know, Pretty Little Thing actually has quite a lot of makeup on there as well. They have Sleek, they have Beauty Works on there. They also have Nip and Fab. How pretty is this Envy Shoes box? They gift wrapped it and everything. So if you guys never heard of Envy Shoes, they do such cute slippers. And they have like a whole range of shoes. Very similar to like Ego or Simi shoes. Oh my god, I can live my full unicorn fantasy. Hello, I'm gonna try these on right now. It's like I'm Cinderella. Oh my god, how cute are these for house slippers? I love them so much. They also have some little bling bling diamante bits on here. Hey, how you doing?
How you doing?
How you doing? How you doing?
Right, this is a big one, guys. It's a big daddy. Come to mama. It's a box within a box. It's from L'Oreal. More wear, more care, colorish. Look at this visual. She's a bad bitch. We've got some new lipsticks, some cute little cashmere socks, pajamas. You guys know how much I love pajamas, and these are such a nice colour. Wow, so silky. This is such nice quality. Oh my god, I cannot wait to have a fresh bath, change my bed sheets and put these on. Okay, so they also sent over raw turmeric shots. I cannot take shots for shit, so I will not be taking shots, but I will be giving them to my sister who loves all this healthy stuff. And then they also sent over some colorish lipsticks. I love L'Oreal lipsticks, by the way, guys. Super creamy, they're affordable as well. This is in the shade 235 Nude. There's nothing better than a fresh lipstick bullet. Alright, let's move on to the next one, guys. We have some Drunk Elephant goodies. Drunk Elephant always sends out the most amazing PR packages. This is their baby facial. I actually love this so much. This, I think, was banned in the UK for ages, and they managed to find a way to bring it over. It's got 25% AHAs and 2% BHAs. 25% AHAs. Wow, you are gonna have some new fresh skin if you use this. This feels amazing. It is like a warm, soft, cozy hoodie. Oh, I can't wait to put this on my body. Exactly what everyone needs for winter.
Look at all those chickens.
Ooh, we have a little PR package from Mac Daddy. It says Club Daddy on here. Oh wow! Artist Couture and Static John. They have joined forces and they have brought out their own eyeshadow palette. We got some shot glasses in here. We've got a highlighter, a lipstick, a Diamond Lights finisher. I actually have a Diamond Lights finisher on my eyes right now. So let me open up this palette to see what we're working with. Wow, Angel, you look amazing!
That was legitness.
Yeah.
This shade here, called Live. Oh, perfection. Oh, yes. The pigment isn't as strong as I thought it would be. Where's the pigment though? This one, I'm not so sure about that one.
Fuck this shit, I'm out.
Okay, guys, we have a whole box of Misguided Beauty. They have a whole line of makeup, guys. What? They have foundation called Meet Your Match. Demi Matte Foundation. I feel like a makeup tutorial is coming. Who wants to see your first impressions on Misguided Beauty? Who wants to know the real tea? Oh, girl. I can't believe Misguided has their own beauty line. What in the beauty bay is going on?
That's suspicious.
You guys, I'm feeling so overwhelmed right now. Let me just show you what I'm surrounded by. Boxes over there, boxes down here, makeup products down here. It's all too much for me, guys, goddamn. We're gonna keep going for as long as I can. Okay, so we got some skincare from Morphe 2. So Morphe 2 is like their sister brand. I don't know why they didn't think of a better name than Morphe 2. So Morphe 2 has more like fresher, kind of more glowy skin. They're bringing out skincare, which is amazing. So they have a face mask, a gel moisturizer, and a 3-in-1 pick-me-up facial mist, along with a lip mask. Okay, let's try out this facial mist. Okay, it kind of looks like a setting spray. It's good. Very hydrating. It's a 3-in-1 mist. Doesn't have a strong smell, which is great. If you guys want to pick anything up from Morphe 2, use the code Thuy. Save yourself 10% off, bitch. Add this to the pile. Oh my god. I'm creating more and more mess. This is so overwhelming. Okay, this is a huge Christmas hamper. Mane and Tail. I had no idea they had so many freaking hair products. Wow. I actually use the detangler every single day. I actually needed a new one. So thank you so much, Mane and Tail. There's a conditioner in here. There's a hair mask in here. And I love this little basket. I'm definitely going to keep this. Fresh have a new kombucha cleansing treatment, no rinse cleanser. I didn't really pack a lot of this stuff with me because a lot of this stuff I have in full size and I normally travel just travel size stuff. Their stuff I missed so much, so now they have a new no rinse cleanser, which is like kind of like a toner, I'm guessing. This is a dual action leave on facial treatment which gently cleanses while maintaining the skin's defense system in one step. And then they also sent over the essence as well, so I'm definitely going to be trying these bad boys out. I love Fresh so much. If you guys have never tried Fresh products before, you need to try it. We've got this bad boy right here. It's from YouTube. I actually done a campaign with them to celebrate this Hello 2021 campaign. Hello XThuyLe. Here's your New Year's Eve party box. This is crazy! Never in a million years would I ever think that YouTube knows who I am. There's sparklers in here. There's some tequila and some glasses. What? I cannot wait for my future house. All of this. Look how nice this glass is. Ah, I'm dying. There's a fortune cookie in here. Okay, let's read my fortune for shits and giggles. Cheers. Let's face it, after 2020, the only way up is Hello 2021. This is what I need. The Scotch brand. They actually sent me the real brand Scotch. Normally I buy these from like the 99p store. There's like a party streamers here. There's popcorn. Guys, they sent me a projector. I got it! Yes, bitches! Oh my god, wow! Thank you so much, YouTube. I've always wanted a projector. This is amazing. A little portable wireless projector. Wow, this package is amazing. I'm so overwhelmed right now. Thank you so much, YouTube. I love you so much. I have one more package that I need to show you guys. I have no idea what's inside, but I need to show you the way that it arrived to me. Can you guys see this? This little thing right here, this little pebble, it's a snail. This poor package has been sitting outside in the rain and it's so heavy, so I need to open it on camera because this poor snail has given up its life to give me this package. I do not know how long this has been outside for, but it's been collecting rain, dust, snails. Oh, it's from Beauty Bay. And the box says, just for you. Beauty Bay has hooked it up with all of the brands that they have on their website. We've got a Melt Cosmetics palette. Ooh, you guys know. Melt Cosmetics is one of those brands I've always wanted to try their stuff. This looks good. There's a broken eyeshadow in here, but it's okay. We can look past that. Zoeva highlighting drops in here. We've got some Nabla Cosmetics lip plumpers. Got an Anastasia Beverly Hills mascara. Oh wow. Sample Beauty. I've never heard of this brand before, but look at this packaging. Wow, this palette is so nice. Okay, let me do a little swatchy swap. Wow! One little, and it's so pigmented. Sweet. Oh my god, I have to try out more from this brand. Also got a Beauty Bay palette in here called Sunset Horizons. Oh my god, this palette is beautiful. Look at this one here. Beauty Bay is stepping up their game. Okay. There is so many new products that I have to try in this video, guys. I'm so overwhelmed. We have just one more big box over here, but this box is full of clothing. This is actually from Lola Choutique. So if you guys want to see a try on haul from Miss Lola, let me know down below in the comment section. I am so overwhelmed, guys. Look at all of this goodness that I'm surrounded with right now. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'm so overwhelmed. Let me know if there's any products that you're like, oh, Thuy, please do a review on that or try that out in my next video. Let me know down below in the comment section. And that's it for this video, guys. I'll see you in my next one. Bye. Dragon Beast. Aha! It's a no for me. Wait, what is this? What does this button do? These nipple covers are huge. Can you just see the indent on this? Jesus Christ. Oh, they're too obvious. Look at them. They're like cow udders. Okay, that's better. The nips are away now. Look at these huge nipple covers. I'm literally going to throw them away. They literally look like a McDonald's burger bun. I decided to put on a bra. Finally, Thuy's wearing a bra.